Hey everybody! So today I'm going to be setting up this new CyberGeek mini PC that I just purchased. I'm going to be unboxing it and showing it to you all, and then I'm going to be setting it up later. But this one replaces one that I had previously unboxed and shown you all, which was a Beelink SER3 that had an AMD Ryzen 7 3750H processor that had 4 cores and 8 threads. It had 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, and it had a 500 gigabyte NVMe solid state drive. Now, if you'd like to watch the video on that one, I'm included a link right up here for you so that you can see it if you wanted to see the one that I had previously unboxed and opened up. But today I'm going to be unboxing this one, opening it up, and showing you all the ports that are on it because this one is even faster. It's got an AMD Ryzen 7 5700U, which has 8 cores and 16 threads. And it also can go up to 4.3 gigahertz. Now, this one I ordered with 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, but you can order it with either 4, 8, 16, 32, or even 64 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. But I felt like 32 gigabytes was plenty for me. And then I did order it with a lot of storage. I ordered it with the 2 terabyte PCIe NVMe solid state drive. But if you don't need that much storage, you can go ahead and order one that has 128 gigabytes, 256, 512, a terabyte. There's a bunch of different options available, but I went ahead and got the 2 terabyte version. Now, this one comes with 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, and it has a 1 gigabit Ethernet port. It has Bluetooth 5.0, and this one can handle 3 monitors at the same time. One of them can go through HDMI, one can go through DisplayPort, and the third one can go through USB-C. And then on the computer itself, it has 2 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports. It has a plug that can either act as an audio in or an audio out plug. And then, of course, it has the power plug. So I wanted to go ahead and open this and show it to you all. So I'm going to go ahead and start unboxing it, and that way we can look at it. Okay, so I've opened up the plastic, I cut it, and now I'm going to go ahead and take the box apart, go ahead and open it up. Okay, and then, of course, it includes a quick start guide. And then right here is the computer itself. It's nice and small. So here, I'm going to go ahead and take this film off of it so that you can see it. They put a really big fan on the bottom, which I really like that a lot. And then, as of course you can see, there's their logo on the top. And then it's got the power button right here. It's got the headphone jack right there. It's got USB-C right here, which is also super speed. And then these two on the front are super speed as well. And they're the USB 3.0. And then if we go around to the back of it, you've got the power plug right here. You've got the Ethernet plug. You've actually got 2 Ethernet plugs right here. And then you've got HDMI on the bottom and DisplayPort on top. And then 2 regular USB 2.0 ports. Now, if you'll notice, this has a lot of vents so that it can get a lot of airflow into this small computer. Because it's so fast and so powerful, they wanted to make sure it had plenty of cooling. Now, they also include a box over here which should have your power adapter and maybe a few accessories. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up for you as well. So right here, they've included this power brick that also has the plug that you can put right into the computer. And then they also included this mounting bracket so that you can mount an additional drive into the computer if you want to. And it's got the screws as well. So that's going to be very helpful in the future if you needed to add another drive to the computer. So I'm going to be setting this one up. I'm going to be doing some testing on it. It actually is set up right now for Linux, but I'm going to be installing Windows 11 on it. So I'm going to do my best to put some videos up on it, but this is going to be a great computer that I can use to do testing and to do other stuff that I might need to do, like video editing, so I can put more videos up on YouTube. So I really appreciate you all. If you do have any questions about this CyberGeek 5700U mini PC, any of the configurations, or if you'd like to order one yourself, look down below in the comments and the video description. I'll put a link for it in the video description, and you can leave me questions in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to get back to you about it. And if there's a video that you would like for me to create for you, do me a favor and leave that down below in the comments as well, and I will do my best to create that video for you. And as always, because you all do such a great job, if you can, hit that like and subscribe button so I can keep putting up more great content like what is a CyberGeek 5700U mini PC, and can I see one, and maybe I can order one myself because they're so fast. And I'll be glad to keep putting up all this great content for you all. Thanks so much, everybody. I really appreciate you all. I hope you have a great day. Take care. God bless. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.